Lenovo IdeaPad Flex 5 Ryzen 7. Unity Systems Solutions. The Lenovo IdeaPad Flex 5 14ABR8 a sleek 2-in-1 laptop powered by AMD's Ryzen 7 5825U. Whether you're a student, content creator, or just looking for a solid everyday machine, this might be the perfect blend of performance and flexibility. The Flex 5 features a sturdy and stylish build with an Arctic grey finish. It's made of PCIe plastic with 40% glass fiber, so it feels more premium than you'd expect at this price point. As a convertible, it flips smoothly into tablet, tent, or stand mode, great for presentations or binge watching. It's running the AMD Ryzen 7 5825U. 8 cores, 16 threads, clocked up to 4.5 GHz, paired with 16 GB of LPDDR4x RAM and a 512 GB PCIe Gen 4 SSD, it flies through multitasking, office apps, and even some light creative workloads. Lenovo Digital Pen. 65-watt adapter. You're looking at a 14-inch WUXGA IPS touchscreen 1920 by 1200 resolution, 300 nits brightness, and TV low blue light certification. It's vibrant enough for indoor use and feels responsive for stylus input and touch navigation. That taller 16:10 aspect ratio? Great for productivity. Connectivity is solid. 2x USB-A. 1x USB-C with power delivery and DisplayPort. HDMI 1.4b. SD card reader. Headphone jack. Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.3. So you're covered for everything from external displays to quick file transfers. The keyboard is backlit and comfortable for typing, even for long sessions. You get front-facing stereo speakers tuned by Dolby Audio, not bad for a laptop this slim. Plus, the 1080p webcam comes with a privacy shutter, and dual-array mics make Zoom calls crystal clear. The 52.5 Wh battery gets you through a workday with moderate use, and the 65-watt charger tops it up quickly. Out of the box, it runs Windows 11 Home, giving you a modern UI and full compatibility with productivity apps. The Lenovo IdeaPad Flex 14ABR8 punches above its weight. With Ryzen 7 power, a responsive touchscreen, and flexible 2-in-1 design, it's ideal for students, creators, and hybrid workers who want performance without breaking the bank.